to another gameplay from Razor Tactical Airsoft. Today's video is sponsored by the like button, and subscribe to us to watch as we grow our new Airsoft channel and try to suck less at Airsoft. Today we are at Bunker Hill Airsoft with the Airsoft Hobby Club, playing out Milsim scenarios. There will be 2 videos from this day's gameplay, so keep an eye open for the second game coming out.
Rather just shoot them again, that's my advice. The marshals
We start off the day with a briefing and then a nice long walk to our spawn point. Playing today is myself, who is Daniel, and Dillon from our RazorTac team. The game begins and we move out. This is our first time at this location and we are not sure which way we are heading, so bear with us with our slow gameplay. We start flanking left through the bushes.
My man!
Another teammate informs us the other team is pushing from down below. We decide to go find some action. I got hit while trying to talk to Dillon, and return to my spawn while Dillon continues to try and hold our position. After both of us respawned, we tried to find some better ground in order for us to push forward. We open up some suppressor fire while the other teammates are trying to move forward.
Ready, Lord?
After the red alert, we push forward to any location.
Watch these 2 guys up there. You're just there so you can see.
What covers for that? Those green bush?
been taken out at the previous location, I move forward and see movement ahead. Not being sure if it's friendlies or not, I stay cautious. Thank you for watching today's gameplay, and subscribe and follow us on social media at RazorTac to stay tuned for the second gameplay video coming out from this day.